Good morning. I am your natural mystic man, and today I want to give you a friendly reminder to eat those carrot tops. Somewhere along the way, we've been trained that when these carrots get to this stage here, you pull the carrots up, and a lot of people discard the tops. I mean, literally throw them in the trash. Those of you that are old school, I know we got some old school folks listening. Um, You remember the cartoon Bugs Bunny? We won't get into the politics of Bugs Bunny. Yes, who knew that cartoons had politics? We won't get into the politics of Bugs Bunny, but we will say that on that cartoon, you saw that Bugs Bunny was eating the carrots themselves, not the carrot tops. He was eating the carrots and throwing the carrot tops away. Um, we always encourage folks to leave those carrots in the ground. These carrot tops we've been eating off of, I want to say since March. The carrots do well underground throughout the winter, and first thing in the spring, as soon as it starts warming up just a little bit, these carrot tops will start coming back. Now, I always recommend that people eat the carrot tops raw. Um, I'm not really a big foodie, but I guess you can look up. Just do your own research. Always do your own research, no matter what anybody tells you. Do your research. You can look up recipes as to how to prepare them. I suppose you can cook them just like you can cook any other vegetable. Um, but I always recommend that people eat these raw. The fresher, the better, is what I like to always say. The fresher, the better. So if you can, if you're working in the garden and you want a quick snack, just grab some of the carrot top. You can break it off. I like to break it off halfway. I don't take the whole thing. I just like break it off halfway, pop it in my mouth, and I chew on it while I'm working in the garden. Um, the longer that leaf is away from the plant, the more and more it's dying, of course. What's keeping it alive is the soil, the roots, the carrot that's underground is keeping it alive. So anytime you remove a vegetable from the garden, it immediately starts dying. So that's when you get into all of the how do you preserve your vegetables to make them last. Well, I like carrots because they overwinter well. Leave the carrot in the ground, eat the carrot tops from the spring all the way through the fall. This is October, and they're actually looking better now than they were looking in July and August. They like the cool weather. Anyway, this has been your natural mystic man with another message from nature. Nature just always blesses us, doesn't it? I'm going to talk to you soon. Peace and guidance. Beautiful.